Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to be teaching you guys how you can color your frontal or closure or any lace that you have that has already been bleached. You can color it any color that you want to, but today we're going to be doing black, and I'm basically going to be showing you guys how to do this color as the water method. But basically you're going to be learning how to do it without messing up the knots that you have already bleached. So if you are interested in seeing this, then stay tuned. So first things first, what you see me doing right now is I am applying the first layer of the Got To Be Glued spray. Basically what this spray is going to do is it's going to create a protective barrier between the lace and the knots and then the actual hair that you are trying to recolor. So what we're going to do with this is we're going to spray it on there. You want to use like a thick coat. We are going to be applying more than one, just so that we can make sure that it's 1000% secure. And now I'm going in with the blow dryer, and I'm pretty much just drying that first layer that I just applied. So we're going to do this step pretty much more than 2 times. I think we do 3 all in total. You can do this as many times as you want to. If you feel as though 3 times is not enough for you to just feel secure in what you're doing, you can do as many as you want to. It doesn't hurt the lace or the closure, because this is simply just hairspray. It's not glue. It's not anything that's permanent. So you can always go in and wash it out if you need to. So now we're on to the dyeing portion. So as I said before, you guys, we are doing a watercolor. So I'm just starting off using hot water. And for today's color, we are doing jet black. So I'm going to be going in with the Kiss Black. I feel like this company is a lot better than Adore as it pertains to doing watercolor. For whatever reason, every time I use Adore, it's like I have to use way more, and it's like the colors are not exactly like how they tell you that they are, unless you're just using the dye directly onto the hair and not using water at all. So I'm just going in with my whisk. This is just something I have in the kitchen, so this is what I decided to use. However, you can use anything that you want to that'll mix up the dye. I would recommend not to use anything that you do not want color to be on. But basically, I'm just going in and I'm mixing everything up. And also, too, make sure you go into like the drain section and really mix that section up too, because a lot of times what'll happen is the dye will get stuck right there, and then it's like you feel like you're not using all of your dye, but in all actuality it's just stuck in the drain. So make sure you mix that up as well.
Beside me, if you oblige me, I hang it up and I never come out of retirement. You should just sleep on it, you shouldn't doubt me. It would be different without me. What is it without me? Don't go do nothing without me. This is a blessing, mashallah, wallahi. I swear my life story's better than stories they telling about me. They got it twisted. Like the pipe, like the bike, make sure you're going in the distance. And if he wasn't with it, then why would you with him? Baby, you just had to realize that knowing the difference can make all the difference. Girl, I know you, she wanna run me down.
So now this is our final result. We finally have our black colored frontal. As you can see, the knots are still the exact same way they were before. Everything is still bleached. I don't have to go back in and do pretty much anything to this. I'm just going to rinse it off with cold water. And this was the final look of the wig that we created together. Stay tuned for part 2 because I will be showing this exact look in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you guys have any questions. If anything wasn't explained thoroughly enough for you, feel free to comment down below. Thank you.